I'd like to highlight 4 themes prevalent in the public comment we received during this process. First, we received many comments in support of the framework highlighting the inclusivity of the document. Other themes include the California Healthy Youth Act and parental opt-out, religious diversity, and language choices. As I mentioned, much of the public comment we received was focused on the California Healthy Youth Act, also referred to as AB 329. I'd like to provide clarification on the differences between the California Healthy Youth Act and the Health Education Framework, as I believe there is misinformation that may be confusing for some. The California Healthy Youth Act is a law that took effect in January 2016. This law requires school districts throughout the state to provide students with comprehensive sexual health education, along with information about HIV prevention, at least once in high school and once in middle school. The state legislation also allows districts to offer age-appropriate sexual health education in earlier grades if they choose to do so. But parents can opt out of comprehensive sexual health education, and local districts choose which curriculum and instructional resources they will use to teach comprehensive sexual health education to their students. The law makes it clear that parents can opt out their children out of comprehensive sex education. According to the language in the California Healthy Youth Act, the legislature recognizes that while parents and guardians overwhelmingly support medically accurate comprehensive sex education, parents and guardians have the ultimate responsibility for imparting values regarding human sexuality to their children. As mentioned above, parents or guardians can excuse their children from lessons about comprehensive sexual health and HIV prevention education, as well as research on student health behaviors and risks. However, as stated in Education Code, the opt-out provision of the California Healthy Youth Act does not apply to instruction or materials outside the context of comprehensive sexual health, including those that may reference gender, gender identity, sexual orientation, discrimination, bullying, relationships, or family. For example, the opt-out rule associated with comprehensive sexual health education would not apply to a social studies lesson on the U.S. Supreme Court's 2015 ruling in favor of same-sex marriage. School districts are required to notify parents and guardians a minimum of 14 days prior to the first day of comprehensive sexual health instruction. To opt out of this instruction, parents, guardians must request in writing that their child not participate in the instruction. If the parent guardian does not request in writing that the child be withheld, the child will attend the instruction.